Hi guys, it's Angie Bell with My Fairy Treasures. Okay, you guys, I'm back with you guys again making these swag type of garlands. And I already really started putting this together. So it's almost done. But it's very similar to the other one that I did yesterday, which is probably the video, a video or two right below this video. But what I wanted to show you, what I was so excited about, is I was going to go back to Dollar Tree, or no, back to Hobby Lobby, and pick up more of this stuff here, okay? For my base that I spent $10 on. I started thinking, listen you idiot, you have this stuff in your backyard. So, between stuff I had in my backyard for free and the Dollar Tree, I made this one. I made this one for even way, way cheaper. I maybe have, let me just see here, 1, 2, 3, I may have only $10 involved in the whole thing. And that's just because of the floral that I bought. 1, 2, 3, 4... and the birds, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 or 9, actually $8 or $9, okay? And the rest of it's for free. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. The base of this is, see this stick here? This one right here, this was, I grow hollyhocks in my backyard. I have my whole backyard, in between all the rose bushes are tons of hollyhocks. And this is a stick left over from the hollyhocks. So I always save these. Because I told you guys I save stuff like this because I'm crazy. So, but if you don't have hollyhock sticks, you have branches on your trees. Either you maybe just trimmed everything down, you have a bunch of long branches in your backyard, or just go to one of your trees and just trim off some of the branches, okay? They don't have to be this thick, they can be thick and thin. And I did get thick and thin ones. And they're underneath this stuff, okay? So they don't have to be this thick, but pick some this thick and a little thinner and a little thinner than that, okay? And then that'll give you a nice base. And then you just take them and you use your twine and you twine it all together. So let me tell you what I did. So I did probably about 6 of these, we'll call them branches first. Then, okay, this was really, really cool. To get all of this type of stuff, like right here, let me make sure in the video you guys are seeing all this grassy looking stuff on the ends. Okay, you guys, this is, I think, just really cool. I hate these palm trees in my backyard, but now I love them. I have them everywhere. I use these, you guys. So I just cut them off. Be careful because there's a lot of stickers on this, but I cut them off about right here. Took some more twine, twined these together, and then I attached it to the sticks. And to attach everything, I just used twine. Okay, so now I just use this and these sticks as my base, and that's it. And then from there, it gave me such a beautiful base to work with and such a natural, beautiful base. Then I started in with the Dollar Tree flowers. So we got this and this. Okay, so I'm gonna take these away. And a lot of you guys have those palm trees in your yard. If you don't, your neighbor has some palm trees, and believe me, they don't mind if you can ask them if you could trim a couple palms off of there and then just dry them out. And you can even work with them fresh, I'm sure, and then they'll dry out on their own as they're going. Doesn't make a difference. Just be careful with the ends because they are so sharp. So cut that little sharp part off. Like I was saying, let me just describe it again. Take your trimmers and get this part cut off, and then work from here with these. And you may have to bind them together to add them to the sticks that you have. Then once you get a layer of the sticks, for however how long you want them, then you lay in this, like this, and cut that off. I just cut it off right there. Actually, you don't have to bind them together. If you cut it off right here, you can lay that right on top of the sticks. And then you can take all of this and bind it together with twine. Okay, so that's what the base of this is. Then I went in with Dollar Tree floral. So here is some type of, I don't know, I call them picks. This is that, I love this stuff. And you guys, they've run out of this at my Dollar Trees, all this kind of thing here. Let me just make sure of what you guys are seeing. Okay, yeah, you guys are seeing exactly what I need to see. Okay, so this type of stuff, and then there's some more of that right here. Some more type of picks, and I don't know what you call it. They're not the flowers. They're the stuff that you need to really make your stuff look good. Besides the flowers, so I put that there. Then I layered it in with some of the Dollar Tree leaves. Okay, and they were like a bushel of leaves. Then I took these sunflowers, these absolutely beautiful sunflowers right here, and tucked those in. And since you have all this bundled up in the middle, you can just, and you have all this stuff twined around and around and around like this, you can just slip all this stuff in. You don't have to glue it in even. And if you guys want a video on that, I will connect the video I did yesterday or the day before. I'll connect it so you guys can see me actually slipping these in, okay? And how I use twine to set up the base here. But I think it's pretty explainable right now. It's easy, you guys. This is easy stuff. Then what I did is right here in the middle, you guys see this little bird's nest. I am going to show you guys how to make these. Hopefully I get that video done tomorrow. It's all Dollar Tree. The birds are from Dollar Tree. The burlap's from Dollar Tree. The moss is from Dollar Tree. And then this whole thing I did on this side too. And I'm going to show you guys that bird. Well, I'm going to show you the whole thing. I'm going to turn you guys around here in just a second. And you guys will see the bird up close, the bird and the bird nest. And like I said, I will teach you guys how to make these bird nests because these things are magical. You can, they're so magical. You can use them all over your house. I put them in my Christmas trees. Let me show you some that I use for Christmas that I have. Because I decorate my house very shabby chic for Christmas. So this is, I'm just going to come across here. These are some ones that I did. And what I did with this one is I actually painted it Robin's Egg blue and then I glittered it. Doesn't that look adorable? Okay. So you're going to get a close-up of the one I have in this wreath in just a minute when I turn the camera around. I just wanted to show you. And that's a pink one. And I painted that one pink and then glittered it with pink glitter. And then inside you can see like the little white stuff. Instead of using moss, I used fun fur. White fun fur because that matched. And in this one I used beige fun fur. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make these. But you get everything from Dollar Tree basically. You can get the burlap from Dollar Tree, you get the birds from Dollar Tree, you can get the moss from Dollar Tree. So, okay, I just wanted to show you guys those. Okay, so now at this point, this is where I was at, and I thought I should come on and let you guys see where I'm at. At this point, I need to put in some of this kind of stuff. Okay? I want to put in some of this stuff. So we need to place this in here. Okay, so I'm going to put that right there with my hot glue gun. Every time I pick up a glue gun, you know what I think of? This lady's channel named Amy Has a Glue Gun, or Amy's Got a Glue Gun. I think that every time I pick up my glue gun. I love the name of her channel. And then I have a sign in my room, I think I told you guys in my last video, that says, happiness is a hot glue gun. I freaking love that. It's the truth too. Happiness is a hot glue gun. Because believe me, if you're doing a project and your glue gun ain't hot and you need a hot glue gun, you're not happy. Okay, so let's just hold that in there for a second. Okay. Oh, and let's talk about this stuff. Okay, so that was a pine cone I got for free. I always pick up pine cones whenever I see them. I pick them up. Somebody in your neighborhood could have pine cones. You could have pine cones. Your neighbor could have pine cones all over their yard. Ask if you can pick up a few. Get them for free. You might have pine cones in your yard. You might see someone you're at the grocery store. Just pick up pine cones and you'll always have this ready to go. Now this stuff right here is stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. Okay? So I got these from Dollar Tree. You guys everyone started buying the packs of these. Okay? And also stuff like this came in there, remember? I just opened up a couple packs and put everything together. So, alright, so we're going to use some of those Dollar Tree pieces in here. See if I want to use this ball or not. I mean, I'm sure I do want to. Just a matter of like where I'm going to put it. Okay, I don't know if that's going to stay there, but I like how that looks there. I think. Yeah, I think I do. Alright, let's go for it. I just put this glue stick in here, so I have to kind of shove it in. Okay. Okay, so hopefully we can get that to stick in there. Okay. So we'll hold this down, get that to try to stick in. Then I have this piece right here that I want to put in right there. And you guys, I am so sorry. I had someone kind of comment about my lighting on my last video that I did this. And you know what it is because the video before that I did was the lighting was fine. It's when I video in the afternoon or evenings. I need a video in the morning if I'm going to do this in my kitchen because the light in the afternoons is really dark. So I am actually taping this in the evening. So it's actually kind of darker in this room that I'm in my kitchen area. But I went ahead and went around the house and gathered a bunch of lighting. Took my lighting out of my craft room and out of the office, and hopefully that's going to make up for how this room is. The sun sets, the morning sun lights up this room, and the evening, and in the afternoon evening, it's like a lot more dark in this room, in my kitchen area. So, because I'm like, what is the deal? I'm using the same lighting. It's the time of day. So sorry about that last video. The lighting was a little weird. Okay, this looks really, really good. I think that's stuck in there. Let me just hot glue this a little bit more. Just get a little more hot glue in there. Just make sure we really got it in there good. All right, let me just... But I wanted to do this video, you guys, because I had spent probably $20 just on the base. I'm trying to think, 10... Yeah, probably somewhere between 18 and 20. But here, my base was free. So I wanted to tell you guys, go outside, get some palm leaves from your palm tree, get some sticks from your from one of the branches of your trees, and you'll have this for free. And if you don't have a palm tree, your neighbor has palm trees, and believe me, they always have something on those damn palm trees that need to be cut because they grow like there's no tomorrow. Okay, that's in there good. All right, I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Let me make sure you guys can see over there. Okay, maybe can't. Well, let me try to zoom in. See if you guys can see a little bit better over there. Okay, I'm going to go over to that other side, so hopefully you guys can see pretty well. You guys, I'm going to move my camera angle, so I'm going to put my hand in front for a second. Just a second. Okay. There we go. So you guys can see what I'm doing. Let me come out a little bit. Okay. All right. All right. So now we're at the other side over here, and let's do about the same thing. So we're going to put this thing here from Dollar Tree in here. And then how I hang this up is I use the command hooks. Like this is going to go on the top of my china cabinet. And I use command hooks on the china cabinet. And then I just take twine and center it in the middle on both sides, and then just hang it up that way. And I did it yesterday on my fireplace mantle, and it looks gorgeous. And I'll be doing a whole fall video and show you how my house looks, like a little house tour, fall house tour, when I'm all done with everything. So you guys can see how I set everything up. Okay, let me get another pine cone. So we're getting another pine cone that we get for free. You can buy pine cones if you want, but they're everywhere, you guys, so don't buy a pine cone. There's this little park I know of, and they have these little mini pine cones everywhere, and I want to go over there. I don't know if they've hit the ground yet, but they're so cute because they're really small. They'd be so great. Okay, so let's hold that in. That's holding it good. And then we'll just put this right on the side here. I think that looks good like that. Oh, I need another glue stick. Okay. Woo. Let's see, how do we want to do this, like this or like this? Gotta hurry if my glue dries. Okay, there we go. Okay. I like to do things so things look kind of tucked in, like they're not just out by themselves. See how the kind of flowers kind of go over this little piece a little bit? I think that looks good to do it like that. Just my opinion. Okay, is that glued down? No, it could be glued down a little bit better. Let me just... That glue might have dried a little bit too much when I was trying to decide how to place this. All right, let's try it again. Okay. And I might put another something right in here. Let me just see. All right. I don't know. Let's see. No. Oh, that looks horrible. Okay. But I'll save that piece because it can look great for something else. Does that look good like that? No. In fact, I think I'm going to be done gluing pieces in. I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to try a pine cone just to make sure that maybe a pine cone shouldn't go there. Yeah, if I had smaller pine cones, maybe. But I like the way this looks. Sometimes you got to stop while you're ahead. Yeah, I think this looks really, really good. So I'm going to change the view, you guys, so you can see it from the front. So I'm going to put my my hand in front of the camera again and move you guys, okay? So just a second. Okay. So let me move the camera a little bit, and we'll just go in really close so you guys can see everything. And then I'll probably try to do a wide shot too. Okay, so there's that. Okay, in the middle, you have those birds. Aren't they adorable, you guys? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, I'm going to come out a little bit. From there, you see that their birds are nested in between the Dollar Tree flowers. And underneath those Dollar Tree flowers are the leaves. There are bushels of leaves I got from the Dollar Tree. And then right here on the end, that's all of the free sticks from our backyards and from the palm trees, right? Dried out. And it doesn't have to be dried out. Like if you go in your backyard and it's fresh right now, you can still use it and it'll dry out on its own in your house, in your arrangement. Okay, and then we have a bunch of stuff from the Dollar Tree here. This is Dollar Tree, like I said, Dollar Tree, these from Dollar Tree. Then this is this and this. Those are those packs of vase fillers, free pine cones, okay? We'll go back over here. And at this end, you got more of that free sticks from your yard, okay, and the palm leaves, palm tree leaves, and then all the same stuff over there. Dollar Tree, base fillers, free pine cones, and then you know over here you got the same MO, the sunflower, and then beneath it is the leaves. Bushel leaves, like the autumn leaves. I think they're maple leaves. I'm not really sure. And then this stuff here from the Dollar Tree. And then some more little stuff from the Dollar Tree. I call this kind of stuff like picks and stuff. And then, of course, the vase fillers and then the pine cone. So, this one, you guys, is even more feasible to do than my last one. Only because I bought the base of it. The sticks and the grasses and stuff like that. I bought that for $10 and then I filled it with a bunch of Dollar Tree stuff. This time I got so many things for free from my backyard and then added the Dollar Tree stuff on top of it. So just to kind of let you see what it looks like from afar. Okay, I just wanted to do this quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that really quick because I was in the middle of doing this and I just thought, you know, this is really cool and I need to just show you guys this because you could do it so cheap and it could be so beautiful. So, okay, you guys, so that's it. I'll let you guys go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you guys, I'd love for you to do so. If you give my video a thumbs up, that'd be great. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Come visit me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm really, I do a lot of stuff with Instagram more than Facebook, but you can join me with both. And I think that's it. All right, you guys, I'll touch you guys in the next video. Bye.